Hey, thanks for dropping by the channel today. Today we're off on another photo tours adventure. We're headed out to a place that I have never been to, and you know, it's always fun to do some kind of early wrecking like this. What I'm really looking for is I'm really looking for some fall color that may have happened, and it's because this is a low-lying area near a swamp. Maybe we'll get some fall color because right now we don't have much. Because, excuse me while I adjust the camera. Right now we don't have any around here, but we do have some in the low-lying areas where it gets colder at night and then it heats up during the day. So we'll see what happens. But I'm kind of excited because I've never been here before, and we're going to see if we can find some interesting photographs. There's a gangway that goes through the... Oh, I got to watch out for cars. There's a gangway that goes through the swamp area, which is kind of cool, and I don't know, we'll see what we get. I'm kind of at a loss because I've never been here before. I went looking for it once before and didn't find it because I was in the exact wrong location. So hang with me and we'll see what we get after the break. Well, it looks like we're coming up on it. Yeah, Concord Street, Shake Beach. This is where the entrance is. Now, before, I went to a completely different location. Not even close. So, well, we're hoping that there's not a lot of people here. So, you know, people like to walk their dogs. Oh, and of course, there's like 5 cars here. Oh, hopefully they're cars of people that are commuting or something. That would be nice. Let's see. I want to get whacked here. All right. Off we go. No dumping. Oh, good. I wonder what that means. Well, this property is owned by the Essex County Greenbelt Association, and they take care of the trails and take care of the property and things like that. And we'll see what happens because I've never been here before. This is going to be fun. I can't wait to try it out. And I'm sure there's a little bit of a hike involved, so a little bit of exercise too. Well, here we are. Thompson Street Reservation in the North Cross entrance. Got a nice map here. This is gonna be great. See, there's the boardwalk I was telling you about. Maybe we'll get a little bit of color here. So I'm gonna study this map, see where the hell I am. Well, it looks like I'm going to be getting my walk in today. This is 2.1 miles, so 4.2 round trip. Got a little bit of climbing, and then we're going to go down into a swampy area, which is called the Red Maple Trail. And the Red Maple Trail, oh, a lot of sun here. The Red Maple Trail is kind of cool because that's where it goes through the swamp on a boardwalk. And hopefully the red maples have come out, and we're going to have some nice color in there. It's just starting around here in places like this here, so we'll see what happens. It's going to be a hike and a half, but follow me along. Another photo adventure. Oh, some splashes of color down here. We're actually a little late, but we'll see. It's kind of interesting. I'm not sure, but I might get some. I'll be happy about that. Got some egrets in here, and they just flew away when they heard me coming. But as you can see, there's one going right away right now, making a lot of noise. But as you can see, the color's gone, or I should say, mostly gone. There's some around. Here comes another egret, flying away. What a cool place this is. Red maples. Unfortunately, it's gone by. Too bad. So pretty quick here, we're going to look and see if I can find some interesting compositions. There's a lot of chaos in here. A lot of down trees in this swamp. And there's a red maple here at the end of this boardwalk, but I'm not sure it's going to make much of a picture. But we'll check it out. Well, we're here, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to get because there's not a lot of color around, but we got a nice boardwalk here. Got some red, I don't know if it's maple or what it is at the end of the boardwalk here. Got a couple of people. There's a drone going on up here. This is Massachusetts. There's just way too many people, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to try and find something. There's some great lily pads. There's a lot of interesting things here. I'm just not sure it's interesting to me, but I'm going to see what I get. And we're going to be using probably the 1680 mostly, and the maybe the 7300 if you can hear the drone going around, and maybe even some egret shots if they come back. Who knows? So, see what we get. Well, I got a shot lined up. I don't know how good it is, but you know, it's got some red at the end of it. We got a boardwalk going out, so it's kind of cool. We're using the 16 to 80, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't mind. You can see the shot. It's not looking great, but there's so much chaos here. It's hard to make something out of nothing, but got some nice shadows. I just wish it was earlier in the morning. Got the polarizer on here. We got the Breakthrough Photography magnetic circular polarizer. It's, you know, it's not doing a lot. Well, clearly there's nothing special about this image, that's for sure. Cool boardwalk, but that's about it. So if the main subject here is that red leaf tree over there, I think I got to go further down there and make that more the focal point instead of this boardwalk here. So I've walked down a little bit closer here and going to take a vertical shot down low, and we'll see what we get. It's kind of interesting. Oh, there's a cool log over here too. Well, this image is much better. We've got a little bit more solidified point of interest here, and going down the boardwalk to the red maple, or I don't know if it's a maple or not, but it's kind of cool. I'm going to make this shot right here, f/16, 25th of a second. See if I can get this log going through here. Kind of neat. We'll see what happens. Another one, not really very interesting. You know, it's just a log. So this shot right here is kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can't see it in the back of the camera, but it's kind of a neat shot of this stump right here. This one's a little bit better. The space in the water between the lily pads leads up to the stump here. Not bad, kind of interesting. Best shot of the day is this red leaf sitting on this lily pad right here. I did a close-up of it. I might try a wide angle too, see what I get. You know, I finally decided to pull out the 7300 for this shot because I wanted the more compression. I didn't use the 1680, which I had on the camera originally, but I think it worked out pretty well. So we had a great time in here. Thompson Street Reservation, owned by the Greenbelt. And I'm gonna watch my step here so I don't wipe out. But made some interesting guys over here flying a drone, and got some interesting photographs, I think. But is with anything like this where you're just going out to see something brand new, you can't expect to get stellar shots. But you know what? it was a lot of fun. I mean, I got some exercise in. You know, my age, exercise is a good thing. So we got out to the boardwalk here and saw some red maple leaves and we logs and stuff like that. This is a beaver pond apparently, and it was a lot of fun. Boy, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for watching this episode. It was a lot of fun. The reconnoiter, as they say, or the recce, was interesting. This might be an interesting place if there was more color, and I just got a feeling that I missed it by quite a bit. So I guess that's it for this week. Oh, by the way, if you get a chance, hey, give me a like. Smash the like button, as they say, and give me a comment and subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. So that's it for this week, and we'll catch you next time.